No, you taste it and see. Taste it. You taste it. Go look at buttermint cream. No, I don't want it. You not good? How does it taste? You know what's wrong with it? I'm not hearing you.
Take a bite of it, Mama.
Huh?
Take a bite of it.
Cut off part of it?
Take a bite of it.
No, no,
Why?
I said to you I'm a prawn fasting. And I'm not taking a bite of it because I'm prawn fasting.
I say eat it. I
Huh?
said take a bite of
No,
it.
it's the same thing.
Putting something on your tongue is the same thing?
Yes. Put it where you swallow it.
No, that's not swallowing it. It's just biting
You got
it.
to stop arguing wrestling with God. I'm kicking you right in there for a kick. Stop. Okay.
Quickly get blocked.
No, you try to kick me back. You saw the angel just attack you. Stop.
I said put away this cancer poisoning my iguana.
Well, what you said, throw it away. Take it away. He hasn't reached there yet. He hasn't reached there. That's not your leave up here. The one down, well, you usually talk really where you come from, but the one down on the other side.
Look at that little hungry little bastard.
Precious things on this one. This one before the throw away, they stopped selling it. This one I tell me, I still got Luca. Luca's still there. Luca's still alive and kicking. Even the lady, the 18-year-old lady, she's still alive and kicking.
No, he's not stopping. Oh, yeah, now he stopped.
I just saw her house, so she should be 90 by now.
Oh, you got a choke.
Take away the candle, look up here, look at the left.
Don't disturb him.
I'm gonna go into the one for Papa. Yeah, that little violet thing still got it. That's when they get a piece of post